my name is Mikayla Snow, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create an alien and an astronaut Halloween costume.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so to first start off this look, I'm just going to start off by using a primer all over my face to help the pink makeup stick to my face, and then I'm just taking this Snazaroo face paint in pink and putting that all over my face. It's a little difficult because you have to get your brush wet to activate the paint, but once you get that going, it should be good. And then make sure between coats you're letting it dry fully, because if you just try to apply it on top again, it'll just take off what you already just put down, so that's not very helpful, so let it dry. And for some reason, I thought it would be a good idea to set my face paint with pink eyeshadow, and that would have been a great idea, but I didn't let it dry for long enough, so it kind of looked pretty bad, but we made it work. And then I took this purple liquid lipstick for my eyebrows, just trying to give them a color and give them a nice shape. And honestly, this is the worst part. So for the eyeshadow, it was super hard. Nothing really wanted to blend on top of the face paint, which makes sense. So I struggled a lot, but I just wanted to get a nice layer of eyeshadow down. So we tried our best. And then I tried to do the tape method, which worked for a little bit, but I knew as soon as I pulled the tape off, it was going to pull off the face paint. I knew that would happen.
Hello, my darling human. I am Hannah.
But that's okay, we just put another layer on and blended it out, and that was good, and it was nice and good and fresh. Then I just took this highlighting shade from the Jeffree Star palette to kind of give my nice eyeshadow look good. Yep, to make my eyeshadow look good. And it was super easy look, but I guess I wasn't feeling it for some reason. I don't know what's happening here. And then I kind of just went to town with the eyeliner. I don't really know what I was thinking. I was just like, oh, an alien wouldn't have normal eyeliner. Let's make this wild. So I turned it into like a double wing, and then I turned it into a triple wing, and then I kind of just turned it into eyelashes. So it's just a big, fun look for the eyeliner, you know? Just like usual eyeliner is hard, so I just made it super weird, you know? And then I just did a quick little nose contour with this dark purple shade just to kind of enhance my look. And then I just did a layer of mascara to help my fake eyelashes stick. And then I did my eyelashes, and then I was like, maybe I should put eyelashes on my under eyelashes. And I've never done that, so that was super different for me. I don't even have under eyelashes or bottom eyelashes. That's probably what they're called. So I just chopped up an old eyelash that I didn't really like the style of. And so I put one half on one eye and the other half on the other eye, which was not the best idea because they're like different shapes, obviously. But I didn't want to ruin one full eyelash because I was going to put the third one somewhere special. And then I went back to the eyeliner just to kind of fill it out to make it look more like crazy eyelashes. And then once that's done, I'm going to take my NYX glitter glue stuff and some sparkles and do like sparkly under eye bags. I was going to just do highlights, but then I was like, no, this would be more fun. So I just did it all under my eyes. And then I just took a dark purple shade from the Jeffree Star palette also to contour my cheek, because obviously a regular contour would look weird, so you got to make it match your new skin tone. And then I just used this berry liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star in this nice shade that almost was the same as my eyebrows, but the one I use on my eyebrows is not a good brand, so it wouldn't work very well on my lips, so I used this one. And I honestly struggle so much with liquid lipstick and lipstick in general, like it's something I really need to work harder on. So this took me a little while, and it kind of came out a little wonky because I'm not very good at liquid lipstick and liquid lipstick in general. And then I kind of just went crazy with the highlight, because obviously your skin doesn't have to look perfect, because thank God you're an alien now, so you can just make yourself shiny everywhere and it looks good. And then for my nose contour, I went a little crazy, so I just took a Q-tip and tried to straighten that out, and it actually surprisingly worked great. And then I kind of just did extreme highlighting on the regular spots. So on the eyebrow arch, I did a big highlight, and then on the inner corners of the eyes, I did a big highlight, which I think totally helps sell the look. And that completes the look so far, but if you want to take an extra step, keep watching. And then I was like, hey, let's just put highlight everywhere, because I never use this highlight because it's kind of icy. So I was like, let's just throw it on our forehead. So I did a full coat of highlight on my forehead, and I wanted to show off my holographic eye bag, so here's some flashlight action. And for this next step, I thought it would be best to already have my wig on.
I had no idea I had that scar until today. You kind of notice my scar more when I'm doing one of
So I pulled down my hair, combed it out, and for this look I actually just tucked it into the back of my shirt. Depending on some wigs this will work and some won't, but I am lazy and this is the best thing that worked for me because I have so much hair that if I put it on top, it's just too big. And then luckily my wig came with this nice wig cap, and I've never used one of these, and it was actually super helpful because all of the little things help it stay nice and tucked away like it should be. And then the star of the show, this wig. I'm absolutely in love with this wig. I like want to dye my hair rainbow colors now because it's so beautiful. Maybe when we hit 100K, I'll do something special like that because it's like a classic YouTuber thing to dye your hair when you hit 100,000. So we might do that. But the haircut is super cute. It's nice and spunky. They had a longer version of this one, but since I have long hair anyways, I was like, you know, let's try short hair because that's fun and different. And then I put a choker on, and I put it around the back of my ponytail also, just to try to hide that and keep it down so it doesn't fly out or anything. So make sure you secure it if you're gonna be wearing it all night. Might as well. And then I was like, you know what would totally complete this is a third eye, because you know you always picture with aliens with 3 eyes. So I looked up the tutorial, and it was super simple. And you know, like let me tell you, makeup tutorial gurus or whatever, always look up other tutorials because sometimes you just need like inspiration, like how did they achieve this? We just did this nice little eye, which I probably wouldn't have been able to freehand without the tutorial because they give such good tips, but I just did the outline and then I filled it in with white. And then luckily I have these eyeliners in a million colors from Amazon, so I just filled in my iris with a bunch of colors to match the color of my eyes. And then I just use a black eyeliner to fill in the pupil. And then I'm just using that same eyeliner to do an eyelash look and an eyeliner look on my fake eye. I'm using this eyeliner because I hate it, so I just want to use it up. And then to top off this look, I'm doing little white dots to look like reflections. And then I just applied lash glue to that eyeliner. And then I took the matching pair to the other eyelash that I chopped up, and I just glued it right onto that fake eyeball, and I think it really helped to sell the whole eyeball look. And here we have the finished look. I love how it came out. I just used these little antennas to hold my hair back. In reality, I probably should have painted my ears pink because I thought they were gonna be hidden. I didn't, but that would help it a lot. I just love how it came out. The eyeball looks great, and I'm so proud of it. But right now I'm going to show you guys what I have gotten so far for my boyfriend and girlfriend Halloween costume. I'm very excited. So let's just get right into my costume. We're going to be an alien and an astronaut. Super excited. This is a bodysuit. Got it from AMI Clubwear. They have a bunch of cute Halloween stuff. Very excited. So this is basically like my body. So for the bottom part, I got this skirt off of Amazon. Here is this skirt. It's holographic. Might not be able to tell under these might not be able to tell under these lights. Oh my gosh, when does it end? Yay, backwards. Okay, so it's basically just this big circle skirt. You cannot tell under my lighting that it's holographic, but it is. So we're gonna dim the studio lights. Holographic. So that's the skirt. Ow! My life's a mess. And then probably the only thing I didn't get off the internet was this headband. I think it was like $1, so that's why I picked it up. Even if I find it on Amazon, probably not gonna be $1, and it's not. So here we go. You wear it with the tag and all. I love it. Okay, but look, they're so fun. Anyways, so this is my headband. That's mostly it for my costume, just the bodysuit, the skirt, and the headband, and boots. Like, that's kind of it, but we'll see. And then for my boyfriend's costume, I bought an astronaut costume, and I'm very excited. Let me show you. Outfit. Cool! It's from Era Spooky. Get ready for the party. That's cute. I really like the metallic one, so I got him the metallic one. This looks so freaking cute! Oh, I'm excited. It has real buckles, you know, gotta have those real buckles. And it zips. Oh, it has little zippies down here. Cute! And they're like actual pockets. Okay, I'm so excited, guys. You have no idea. Space program. Satellite project. Also, the Amazon box came with like the tape already unstuck, so it was just like flapping open. It was annoying. But luckily, we got it. So this is the astronaut helmet. It looks a little dusty, but we're all right. Hopefully this fits over his head. It's a child size, but we're gonna see. So let's open it right now. Almost just stabbed my chair and myself. Warning, visor must be opened by pressing power visor button only. Opening manually will damage visor. Good to know. It's talking. Blast off. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Okay, let's put it on. It's a little scary, honestly. Okay, I was confused. I got a little panicked in there. I'm not even claustrophobic, but like it got weird. So, cause I couldn't find, okay, so this is an intercom. This is a power visor. Hello. Okay, so that's a little bit better. Having the shield down is scary. It'll look cool for a picture, but like I just got like a little anxiety in my heart because it was scary.
does it make me talk weird? I just realized, no, there's no. I just realized that I forgot to put lipstick on. That was kind of cool. It's weird because it like tints the color. Like everything looks grayed out. It's really loud in your ear when it closes. Anyways, so that's basically the star of the show. Also I'll have everything linked down below for you guys to check out. Warning, this is a toy, does not provide protection. Do not use it anywhere near water. So it does have this little thing right here. Didn't see it earlier. Can't talk into it, and it has the same thing that plays over and over again, so that's kind of lame. But, I mean, it's just a prop for one night, so it's not bad. Cool, and it has a little NASA sticker on the back. Very cute, very cute. Hey guys, I just don't know what I want to do because I have so many options, you know? I thought I wanted to do Bratz doll eyes because I thought that could be interesting, just like big eyes. But I don't know if my skill set's up to par with that. Hopefully my backdrop doesn't fall down because that's what it sounds like it's gonna do. Can you even tell the light's changing a little bit? Thinking about doing a third eye because I have one. I've never pasted my eyebrows up, so that could be fun to do. But I feel like I won't do good at that. I just have such big eyebrows and I love my eyebrows. So I think I'm gonna try to paste them up because and I also have glitter.
Okay, now that I'm done talking, I'm just gonna glue my eyebrows up. I just followed a Nikki Tutorials video to do this, and it was really fun because you just get to have crazy eyebrows for a second. And then I just set my eyebrows with my Coty Airspun powder. And then I just did a nice layer of primer. And then I'm just taking my pink Snazaroo face paint, and I tried using a beauty blender. That didn't work, so I just used a makeup brush, and that worked so much better. Just a regular old foundation brush, which is great because I hate foundation brushes, but they work good for this. And then I just used my antennas as a headband to hold back my hair. And then I just kind of completed the coat all around my face. And then I just took that paint all the way down my neck. I didn't need to do my shoulders. I don't know why I did because my shirt covers it. So just do what you can see. And then I just tried to hurry up drying it. And then to help make the process a little easier, I just took off the face paint around my eyes so it'll make applying the eyeshadow easier. And then I took my NYX White Milk eyeshadow crayon. I really need to buy another one of these because I love them, and I just did all around my eyes. And then I decided to do my third eye, so I just did a big circle on my forehead. And here's where I really start to struggle. I kind of wanted to do an eyelid look, so I painted my eyebrows black. And then I just tried to draw in the eyeball for my third eye. And then I just put eyelash glue on my eyelid space so the glitter would stick and be black. And for some reason I thought it would be fun to use glitter, and it got everywhere and was miserable, so make sure you know what you're getting into when you're using glitter. And then I did the eyelashes, and they came out really bad, but this is why we do trial runs of makeup looks that we really want to look good. So here's the bad one.
Oh my god!
And then I just kind of lost my mind, and then I tried to salvage the eyes with some white eyeshadow, and then I give my third eye eyelashes, and then I outlined my irises, and here I am just trying to live my blue-eyed girl dreams. So the idea was that the slit would look like my eyelashes were closed so that all the eyes would look the same, but that kind of didn't work, but I'm still doing it here anyways. And then I just did some nose contouring and highlighting with some pink and some shimmery highlight, and then I just contoured my cheeks with some purple and some more highlight. And then I just did a black lipstick, and this is when my boyfriend got home, so he was distracting me. And then that's it for the makeup. And then this is my attempt to put my hair up so I can put it in the wig. And then you can just pose in your killer makeup. And then I braided my hair so it'll be easier to put into my wig. And then I did a little milkmaid wrap to hide the rest of my hair. Alrighty, and then you just have to put your wig cap on, and then you can put on your beautiful wig. I am so in love with this wig. I'm so happy I found it. It's the perfect look for this outfit.
Okay, so the outfit is very loud. It's very bright. I love the green. It's my favorite. Your teeth will look so yellow if you wear black lipstick. It's just not a good look. And now we're a little alien. To have like the full effect, you have to have your eyes closed because obviously my eyelids are the eyeballs, so you have to have like a squint, and that's why I kind of did that line up there too, because it's kind of like the iris of an alien. Who knows? A little body art or something on the neck just because it looks a little bland when there's nothing. But I'm not sure what I want to do. But yeah, let's go take some pictures.
And then you have to get your boyfriend and put him in his alien costume. And that's it for this look. I think it came out amazing. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoy it also.
Bentley! Oh, honey. Perfect. Oh, I was recording. I guess come back. Whew. Hey everyone, my name is Mikayla Snow and today I'm going to be showing you guys a couple's Halloween costume. I am an alien and my boyfriend's an astronaut, and it was super simple. So for the alien costume, I basically ordered everything off Amazon. I'll leave the links in the description. It was super easy to find everything, but this is a child size helmet, and so it's a little tight, but it's the only one that they had available and it looks really good. And then for my costume, I got the green top from AMI Clubwear, and that will be in my boyfriend buys my Halloween costumes video also, so be sure to check that video out. Hopefully it's out by now. And then the wig is also from Amazon. These little antennas are from Party City, and then my skirt is from Amazon also. It's holographic, and then this choker I think is just from Amazon also. And then the makeup was Snazzaroo face paint in pink. I got it from Michael's and it was $8, and I used a 50% off coupon that I just googled, and so it was only $4, but on Amazon it was $15. So I suggest if you have a Michael's, go hit them up because you save a lot of money that way. I was going to paint my hands and my legs and everything with the face paint so it would look more like a cohesive alien, you know? I think I'm just gonna go in and Photoshop that because I didn't want to get it everywhere and then like sweat it all everywhere. So you can always Facetune things. Here's the alien look. I love this wig. It's super fun. The only thing is that it kind of hides the eyeballs. But yeah, I really like it. I think we're a cute little alien couple. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Bye guys! Thanks for coming to be my astronaut.
You're welcome.
I guess I can kiss you now that my lips are black. Oh, I haven't been recording. Hi! I guess I should turn all my lights on. Hello!